All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Look at this, Holt Bladeworks. I got a lion over here, and yeah, this is a pretty cool box because inside there's a pretty cool Specter. So this guy comes with this NFC Selinko card. Pretty much you just tap this to your on the back of your phone, and it's gonna give you all the information regarding this knife. There's a nice sticker inside of this little envelope. There's a hex tool which is needed if you want to adjust the detent system for this knife. Very cool and ingenious invention, and a couple of these are the original bearings because I got some skiffs installed, and of course you get this beauty right over here. Pretty cool box. This is magnetic and padded with this little thing on top, so it's neat. Inside you find this look at this Damascus Specter V4 liner lock prestige in the flesh. It's a great knife, extremely classy. We got 9 centimeters for the handle and 11.5. That was the blade. 11.5 for the handle. Of course, I gotta for the size comparison, I want to show you, you know, the haptic. Why not? And I'm just not gonna be tedious. I'm just gonna show you some fancy ones. That's Peter Rasenti Large Nirvana 4.0, and that's gonna be about it. Not gonna show you anything else, guys, because that's it. I have just those two for you. And I got this guy here. That's why you're here, not to see the size comparison, but maybe. But yeah, I mean, this guy is a rare one. It's a dressy Damascus. I mean, look at this, guys. Look at the milling. I believe this is the quill milling or the flux. Anyways, it's just a fantastic milling going on over here. Really cool. You get to see the Damascus layers from this perspective. The clip is beautifully done, nice anodization. Angie is a wizard with these colors popping like crazy. Of course, milled clip, hidden hardware. I love that the clip just follows, the milling of the clip just follows the contours of the milling of the handle, and it's overlapped pretty perfectly. Very neat. I love the screws matching, of course, the spacer and the clip, nicely done. This fella is a liner lock, is an inset liner. The scales are nicely chamfered, skeletonized, and milled on the inside, as you can see from here. Look at that, micro milling going on. Very cool. You get a centering back spacer, a little bit short, but I mean, there's nothing flexing on this fella. So I reviewed other Specters, and this is no slouch. It's nothing different from other V4 that I reviewed, but this is a special one because it's a prestige Specter, Damascus, full Damascus scales. You get a CPM 154 steel because originally this was intended to be blacked out, but never happened, so it just got like a mirror polish. And I mean, guys, this is a really ridiculous knife for the action. Look at that. You get skiff, bearings action. Just, you can do things like that. Maybe don't do it, but it's this fast. So really snappy action. Great ergonomics in the hand. Zero hot spots. This finger groove is fantastic. It acts also as a finger guard for like a reverse grip. It is just drop shot, like break the detent and boom, you have yourself a very nicely, beautifully centered. Look at these lines. It's one of the most elegant knives, super classy. I mean, it's lovely. Let me see the weight on this guy. How are we doing here? We are doing at 112.6 grams. Not too bad. I also want to check the blade stock of this fella, 3.35, nice and thin. Behind the edge is gonna be like a 0.5 at this point, so not super thin, but definitely flat ground, nice slicer. You get like the Holt logo right over here, and just the logo, just a writing on the back, CPM. So would I prefer like a more sterile looking blade, like for example the haptic has, both sides maybe burnished, but yeah, you get the lion peeking out from there. But I mean, things that I love in this knife are like this area over here. It is just fantastically done. The lines are just perfect, super elegant, classy, minimal. It's definitely a very, very cool knife, refined, feels great, has a great action. The sound is amazing because it has a clickety-clack kind of sound. The milling is spectacular. The colors are just so great. Really, I don't know what to say wrong about this thing. It's just, it's really good. I like it. Maybe the jimping is not that, there's not much traction on this one. But beside that, I mean, ergonomics are pretty perfect for my hand. Zero hotspot, feels very good in the hand. You have the detent that has is acting as a detent ball ramp. I mean, it's not a ball, but it's acting as a ramp, like, see, like that. So there's no bump, and the action is just that good. I mean, perfectly centered. There's no blade play, no rattling. It's well done. There's no stainless steel lock face insert in this fella. The lock bar has an internal skeletonization, if you can see from this perspective. I love this hardware much more than this, to be honest. I mean, pretty similar anodization, but I don't like that, and I love that pattern for the pivot, I mean. And I mean, not much else to say beside it's a very cool looking knife. It is a classy one, and it's an iconic knife for sure. It's the Specter, the first iteration of the saga from Holt Bladeworks. They went into the haptic and then Morpheus and Renegade coming up. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching, and stay tuned.